Did you know your furry feline friend can't taste sweetness? Cats lack the specific taste receptors needed to detect sweet flavors. This trait is shared by most other carnivores like lions and tigers. Their evolutionary diet focused on meat, not sugary foods. Even if you give them sugary treats, they won't enjoy the taste. Instead, cats are more sensitive to savory and salty flavors. This explains why they often ignore sugary snacks humans enjoy. So next time your cat refuses dessert, it's not being picky, it's science. Want to know amazing facts and tips? Subscribe for more.